Hello guys, welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. Today is a quick one, and please, if you have secondary school certificates and you've been thinking that you are not qualified to apply for any foreign jobs that comes with work permit, visa or visa sponsorship, no, I'm here to make it clear to you that you are even the most qualified person to apply for some certain jobs. You know why? When a graduate presents their degree certificate to tell them that they are overqualified for some certain jobs, they will not be recruited. Yes, I'm the one telling you. They will be turned down because they know that he or she is overqualified for that job. So in this video, I will take you through to the easiest way somebody with secondary school certificate, or what you call O-level, or what you call school cert, can come to Canada. Yes, cruise ships business in Canada. You know, I talked about cruise ship in New Zealand. One person has just successfully passed interview, and I thank God that people watch this video and start application, because there's no point if you're watching this video and you're not applying. So how are you going to get the job? There's no point. So when you finish watching this video, the links are shown in the screen, because YouTube is not allowing a link in the description, like direct link that will take you away from the YouTube. They're not allowing it, so that's why I'm sharing it here. I don't want to say it because I've got a pronunciation factor, or what I call accent. So when I say some certain things, you might not get it, so you understand. So that's why I normally share the link or the information written down in the video as you're watching it. So if you have college or secondary school certificate, and this one does not age limit. There's no age limit, because it's the employers, they have a different what are they calling it? They have a different visa sponsorship rules and regulation, because what the work you'll be doing, you'll be going around the whole world. You know what we call cruise ship. The shift is on and off. Your family that you go back to every day. No, it's not that kind of job, because cruise ship mean that you might take off from Canada and get yourself in Malta or Italy. Yes, or even a Caribbean island. So it's not a stagnant office that you know that you wake up in the morning, you go to that office, then after you go back. No, if you are you don't have any responsibility, you're not pregnant, you don't have young children you're taking care of, stick with me and I will tell you how to go to Canada before December. You can even enjoy your Christmas in Canada if you know what you're doing, because obviously you don't need certificates. It's housekeeping job. So stay with me. I'll be right back after the break. Don't forget, click that subscription button, and we'll see you when we come back. See you. Okay guys, so what I want you to do now is you go to Ministry of, if you're from Nigeria or if you're from Ghana, all the countries I know in this world, they have Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So you know what I mean? Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Check where you have it in your country. Ask people in civil service, they will know. So go to that ministry, go and legalize and authenticate your passports and your certificates, your WAEC certificate. That's all you need. So because once you authenticate that, your WAEC, and get your criminal record from police, If you're from Uganda, somebody told me it's a Ministry of Interior or Police or I don't know. I think somewhere I will share it in the screen if I can still find it. So now, if you authenticate your passport and your WAEC certificate, the next thing is to get your travel insurance and your medical insurance. Then the one that is following it is this 2 reference letter. It can be from your employer, your current employer. It just, to whom it may concern that you're a good person, that you work as a team, you know, those kind of things. It's not like a professional work that they have to take their time. It's just basic. Then if you are a church goer, you can go to your priest and get another one to back up, you know, the attestation of your work ethics and character. If you're going to mosque, you go to your mosque and get one from maybe from your imam and all that. Then let me take you to this place. You will ask now, this cruise ship, since you'll be working 2 weeks on and 2 weeks off and 6 weeks on, what are the pay rates? They pay more. They even pay you for staying in the cruise with your salary. There are many benefits to this. When I find it, I will share it in the screen when I'm editing. So you will see it in this screen. So there are many benefits that you will accrue because you're not going to your precious bed. So they have to pay you for the unsocial hour and I think they pay on social hours because obviously you are inside the cruise, so you are not going to your house to get to enjoy yourself, or after work you walk around in the clock and you live in the cruise. Then it is free feeding, free accommodation in the cruise, and again free insurance when you are inside the cruise. You understand it now? They will have to pay insurance on your behalf for having you in the cruise for 6 weeks. So this is the perfect job for people that wants to migrate to Canada before Christmas. Housekeepers, both female and males. Now, the recruitment firms recruiting are on this screen. What you have to do is to, there's no much, there's no much to be able to get some certain upper hand in your interview. You can go online, Skillshare or Allison or Udemy. You can go and check housekeeping training. Those courses are just like £2.99 or £3. Do that course, or you can do the one that they do free in this YouTube you're watching. You can go to YouTube search bar and say that housekeeping training, like, the questions or housekeeping questions. So housekeeping interview questions. So you can go to YouTube and check it. You will see professional housekeepers who will now answer that questions for you. So when you get so comfortable in answering some of the housekeeping questions, obviously you have to deal with chemicals, you have to deal with disinfectants, you have to deal with general housekeeping jobs and cleaning, dressing the bed and all that. So sometimes maybe it's not the way you dress your bed at home. It might not be the chemicals, the way you handle chemicals at home. So that's why that basic cleaning, the basic cleaning course is important in this regard. So if you have this training now, certificate, then you can apply for jobs. Once you get this job, then these employers will take care of you, because this recruitment is special. It's not the same like a caregivers. It's so special because they have to insure you, they have to provide many things for you, and they have to make sure that you pass on certain medical tests. So it's not like, when they employ caregiver just land and start doing the work. but here you have to because of you will stay in the cruise for 6 weeks. So they have to make sure that you are well and you are fit for the job. Okay, somebody was telling me that if you've had stroke or something that they will not employ you. But I know you people are so healthy. I know you people are so healthy and so beautiful people, so intelligent. So you've got the information. You have to go now and apply for this job in these recruitment firms, employing housekeepers for cruise ship owners in Canada. So now you have all the information you need. The next thing now is, if you start making the application, you have some problems, come to WTP. The first link pinned in this under this video will take you to our Telegram group. And again, if you didn't see, if you cannot get into our Telegram group, I have left our Telegram number, Womiba Telegram business number there, so you can use it to contact us. So you can use it to come to Telegram and tell us that you cannot log in or you cannot use the link to come to WTP. Then we can help you. Then what we will do now is, this week I want you to put in many applications as much as you can. Please put many applications as much as you can in this job. So because let one click, and once one click, then you know that your CV and your cover letter or statement of purpose, which is SOP, is good. So I wish you luck, and this is where I will be ending this video. Please subscribe, share this video with your family members and your friends, relatives, and their siblings and peers as well, colleagues. So I will see you in the next video, and thank you for staying to this minute. And don't forget, leave the notification button on, and we will be right back with another video, so that you can get notification when we release another video that might be of your own interest, and solve most of the question problems you might have. So see you. Bye bye.